Welcome to Database Mart's channel. In this video, we'll show you the GPU server ordering process, control panel features, and connection, helping you use our GPU server with ease and efficiency. Step 1. Order a GPU server. First, visit our official website. Based on your budget, use scenario, hardware configuration, and GPU model. Select a suitable plan. If the standard plans do not meet your needs, you can contact customer service to customize a GPU server. After clicking Order Now, you will be directed to the order confirmation page, where you can set the operating system, server name, password, billing cycle, and more. If you choose a GPU-dedicated server, you will also have the option to add extra resources, such as a firewall, additional memory, or an HDMI dummy plug. Once these configurations are completed, if you have any special requirements, for example, requesting our team's assistance with installing software, tools, or models, please enter them in the Notes field. Finally, click Checkout. Review your order, then click Confirm, and complete the payment. Step 2. GPU Server Management. Once your GPU server has been deployed, you can manage it through DBM panel. Next, we'll show you the main features of the GPU Server Management interface. First, you can view the server's connection information, including dedicated IP, connection port, username, password, and operating system. These details are used to log in to your GPU server. We also provide detailed documentation, and later we'll demonstrate the login process. Second, you can check your GPU server's basic information. Here, you can modify the server name, adjust the billing cycle, or renew with just one click. Scrolling further down, if you selected a GPU VPS, you'll see real-time monitoring of your server's usage. If one or more resources consistently reach over 80% utilization, we recommend clicking Add-ons to scale up to a higher configuration. If you selected a GPU-dedicated server, you'll be able to view the status of your purchased add-ons and add more at any time. After reviewing the basic information, you can move to the Server Management section, where you'll see your server's running status and uptime. For GPU VPS, the panel provides 5 quick action buttons for different management operations. Reset. Immediately turn off and restart your VPS without saving data. Turn off. Stops your VPS and terminates all processes without saving data. Shut down. Power off your VPS completely after saving changes and closing processes. Pause. Temporarily freezes all processes and saves the state to disk. Reboot. Gracefully shuts down and restarts your VPS, saving data and properly terminating processes. For GPU-dedicated servers, the panel only provides reboot and shutdown options. Additionally, the GPU VPS control panel supports operating system reinstallation. Please note that reinstalling the OS will erase all data on the server, so be sure to back up your data in advance to avoid any business disruption. If you are using a GPU-dedicated server and need to reinstall the operating system, please contact our support team for assistance. Step 3. How to connect to a GPU server. Similar to VPS, our GPU servers also support access from multiple devices. Next, we will demonstrate how to connect to GPU servers running Windows and Linux operating systems from a Windows PC. If you selected a server with the Windows operating system, you can directly use the built-in Remote Desktop Connection tool in Windows. In the search bar on your taskbar, type Remote Desktop Connection, or RDP, and open it. Then, enter your server's IP address along with the port number and click Connect in the lower right corner. Next, enter your server's username and password. You may also check Remember Me for quicker login in the next time. After clicking OK, a remote connection will be established. If you see a prompt saying, "The identity of the remote server cannot be verified," simply click Yes to proceed with the connection. If you selected a server with the Linux operating system, you'll need a third-party tool to connect, such as PuTTY, Shell, or XRDP. Here, we'll use PuTTY as an example. Start by downloading and running putty.exe on your computer. Under the Session tab, enter your server's IP address in the host name field. The default port is 22, and the connection type should be set to SSH. Next, go to the Connection menu and open the Data section. Here, enter your username, usually administrator, in the Auto Login username field. To make future logins easier, go back to Session, give this session a name, and click Save. This way, You can simply double-click the saved session name to connect the next time. When you're ready, click Open. A terminal window will appear, prompting you for a password. Type in your server password and press Enter. Remember, the password won't be visible as you type. If you want to paste it, simply right-click inside the PuTTY window and press Enter to complete the login. After successfully logging in to the GPU server, we recommend performing a basic check to confirm the operating system version, as well as the CPU, GPU, memory, disk, bandwidth, and additional resources to ensure they match your order. Especially for the GPU driver, in the CMD window, enter NVIDIA SME. If you see output similar to the following, the driver has been installed correctly. If you encounter errors or missing information, please visit the NVIDIA official website, select the corresponding GPU model, and download and install the driver to ensure the GPU can function properly. That concludes the complete walkthrough of purchasing, managing, and connecting to a GPU server. We hope this video helps you get started quickly and make efficient use of our GPU servers. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our online support team. We'll be glad to provide you with timely and professional assistance.